In this lesson, you will learn how to use ALM Octane keyboard shortcuts. You can open the shortcuts window by pressing Alt and F2. And here you can see all the available shortcuts for your keyboard for all the different areas. So everywhere you can use or going to the help center, help on a specific topic directly, or open the shortcut windows. You have all list items, so wherever you will find a list, you can use these kind of shortcuts. We have a lot of shortcuts for the test area. So if you want to run a test or multiple tests, just select them and press Alt plus R and they will be executed. You have here also for the test design few shortcuts available, as well as here for the outering of a requirement. So let's see how these shortcuts are working. I will go first of all to the issues module. And from here I can press Alt plus N. This will open the new defect window, allowing me to add a new defect. And basically this shortcut can be used across modules. So I can be here in the quality module as well. And on the test tab, I can do the same by pressing Alt plus N, and it will open a window for adding a new item. And then I can select what subtype of test I would like to add. Same goes for the test cases. So if you are, if you would like to execute manual test, then you can select them directly here and press Alt plus R, and this will open the run test window where you can then decide or define the name of the run and then assign the release and execute the run. If you want to change a test during the design phase, meaning you are on the steps tab within the test, then you can use Control 1 for adding a simple step, Control 2 for adding a validation step, and Control 3 for doing a call to a specific test, just in order to create your test. So once you're done, you can press as well Control and S. This will save everything. And you see it has saved this entity, including the new steps I have added through the keyboard shortcuts. So there are few keyboard shortcuts available which are easy to use and help you in your day-to-day work with ALM Octane.